This dance is called Girl of My Dreams. It's a 48 count, 2 all, improve a level line dance with 3 restarts. Starting on the right foot with a mambo step. So you rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left, step the right beside the left, slightly back, but virtually beside the left. Into a coaster step, left foot leading, step left back, right beside left, step the left forward. Brush the right as you go into a step, lock, step, right foot leads, step, lock, step. Then add on a chase half turn, stepping the left forward, pivot half a turn right, step the left forward. That set of steps once more then, mambo step off on the right. 7, 8, mambo step, coaster step, brush step, lock step, step, pivot step. Step forward on the right, touch your left behind the right. Step back on that left, brush the right. Into a sailor step, behind, side, side. Touch the left beside the right, step left to the side, touch right beside left, right to the side, touch left beside right, chassé to the left, side, close, side. Quite a few steps in some of these sections, which means there's quite a few and counts. That set of steps once more then. Step touch off on the right. 7, 8, step, touch, back, brush, sailor, step, touch, side, touch, left, chassé. Let's add that to the top. Mambo step off on the right. 7, 8, mambo step, coaster step, brush step, lock step, step, pivot step, step, touch, back, brush, sailor, step, touch, left, chassé. Rock back on the right, recover your weight on the left, step the right to the side. Into a little weave, crossing the left behind the right, right to the side, cross the left over the right. Hitch the right as you turn yourself, quarter of a turn to the left. Into a couple of prissy walks, so you step that right forward, over the left, step the left forward, over the right. Add on a mambo touch. So you're going to rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left, touch the right beside the left. That set of steps once more then, back rock, side off on the right. 7, 8, back, rock, side, behind, side, cross, hitch, walk, walk, mambo, touch. Let's add that to the top. Mambo step off on the right. 7, 8, mambo step, coaster step, brush step, lock step, step, pivot step, step, touch, back, brush, sailor, step, touch, left, chassé, back, rock, side, behind, side, cross, hitch, walk, walk, mambo, touch. Add on a mambo step. So we touched on the right, we go back off on that right, rocking forward on the right, recover on the left, step that right beside the left. Back lock off on the left, back lock back. Sailor, quarter turn, but you're going to cross over at the end. So you're going to cross that right behind the left as you make that quarter of a turn to the right, left to the side, cross that right over. You sailor quarter cross. And add on a mambo cross. So you're up to the side on the left, recover your weight on the right, cross that left over the right. That set of steps once more then, mambo step off on the right. 7, 8, mambo step, back, lock, back, sailor, cross, mambo, cross. Add that to the top. Mambo step off on the right. 7, 8. Mambo step, coaster step, brush step, lock step, step, pivot step, step, touch, back, brush, sailor, step, touch, side, touch, left, chasse, back, rock, side, behind, side, cross, hitch, walk, walk, mambo, touch, mambo, step, back, lock, back, sailor, cross, mambo, cross. Step the right to the side, rock back on the left, recover your weight on the right. Step the left to the side, rock back on the right, recover your weight on the left. Step forward on the right. Step forward on the left because you're going into a chase half turn. Pivot half a turn to the right, step forward on the left. Run forward 2 steps, right, left. Now it's 30 steps once more then, side, back, rock off on the right. 7, 8, side, back, rock, step, step, pivot, step, run, run. Let's add that to the top. Mambo step off on the right. 7, 8, mambo step, coaster step, brush step, lock step, step, pivot step, step, touch, back, brush, sailor, step, touch, touch, left, chasse, back, rock, side, behind, side, cross, hitch, walk, walk, mambo, touch, mambo step, back, lock, back, sailor, cross, mambo, cross, side, back, rock, step, step, pivot, step, run, run. So to finish the dance, you're going to do that last section again. So you do repeat that last section, you do that twice. So let's just add that on now. So you're stepping the right to the side, rock back on the left, recover. Left to the side, rock back on the right, recover. Step forward on the right, chase half turn, stepping forward on the left, pivot half turn right, step forward on the left, run forward, right, left. Exactly the same set of steps again. So let's just add that on. Dance it all the way through. Mambo step off on the right. 7, 8, mambo step, coaster step, brush step, lock step, step, pivot step, step, touch, back, brush, sailor, step, touch, touch, left, chasse, back, rock, side, behind, side, cross, hitch, walk, walk, mambo, touch, mambo step, back, lock, back, sailor, cross, mambo, cross, side, back, rock, step, step, pivot, step, run, run, side, back, rock, step, step, pivot, step, run, run. That's your dance. I'll now go through it with the counts. Mambo step off on the right. 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and. So hopefully that gives you a feel for the timing of the dance. Now it is a 2-wall dance, so let's have a go at the back wall. We'll keep going when we get back to the front, so you can see how the walls join together. Mambo step off on the right. 7, 8. Mambo step, coaster step, brush step, lock step, step, pivot step, step, touch, back, brush, sailor, step, touch, side, touch, left, chassé, back, rock, side, behind, side, cross, hitch, walk, walk, mambo, touch, mambo, step, back, lock, back, sailor, cross, mambo, cross, side, back, rock, step, step, pivot, step, run, side, back, rock, step, step, pivot, step, run, mambo, step, coaster, step, brush, step, lock, step, step, pivot, step, step, touch, back, brush, sailor, step, touch, side, touch, left, chassé, back, rock, side, behind, side, cross, hitch, walk, walk, mambo, touch, mambo, step, back, lock, back, sailor, cross, mambo, cross, side, back, rock, step, step, pivot, step, run, side, back, rock, step, step, pivot, step, run. So that's your dance. Now there are 3 little restarts in this dance. They all come in the same place, which is after 40 counts on walls 1, 3 and 5. So on the odd walls. So 40 counts takes you slap bang between those last 2 sections. So on the walls you have a restart, you only dance one of those sections. On the other walls, you dance both of them. So that's side, back rock, step, chase, half turn, run, dance once, restart. So the first one comes on wall 1, so let's have a go at wall 1. Take you up to 40 counts and restart the dance. Mambo step off on the right. 7, 8. Mambo step, coaster step, brush step, lock step, step, pivot step, step, touch, back, brush, sailor, step, touch, side, touch, left, chassé, back, rock, side, behind, side, cross, hitch, walk, walk, mambo, touch, mambo, step, back, lock, back, sailor, cross, mambo, cross, side, back, rock, step, step, pivot, step, run, restart, mambo, step, coaster, step, brush, step, lock, step, step, pivot, step. So that's your restart point. 40 counts into walls 1, 3 and 5. So that is it. That is your dance, it's your walkthrough, it's your restart information. Let's give it a go to the music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Mambo step, coaster step, step, lock step, step in step, step, touch back, sailor step, touch side, touch left, chassé, back, rock, side, behind, side, cross, hitch, walk, mambo touch, mambo step, back, rock, back, sailor cross, mambo cross, side, back, rock, restarts coming out, step, step, pivot, step, run, restart, mambo step, coaster, step, lock, step, pivot, step, touch back, sailor, step, touch side, touch left, chassé, back, rock, side, behind, side, cross, hitch, walk, mambo touch, mambo step, back, rock, back, sailor, cross, mambo cross, side, back, rock, step, step to step, run, run, side, back, rock, side, back, rock, step, step to step, run, run, mambo. Next restart, walk. Step, touch, back, say left, side, touch, left, chasse, back, rock, side, behind, side, next edge, walk, mambo, touch, mambo, step, back, off, back, say across, mambo, cross, side, back, side, back, rock, step, step, in, step, run, restart, mambo. Step, touch. Back rock. Mambo. Side back rock. Side back rock. So next restart walk. Restart. Hope you managed that one.